Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this number is registered to your Apple ID but not associate with this phone error on your iPhone. So guys, these type of Apple ID errors can be frustrating. So guys, don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this number is registered to your Apple ID but not associated with this phone error. So guys, first of all you have to do is sign out and sign in back again to your Apple ID. To do this you have to open your settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and you can see your option sign out. Simply tap on it and enter your passcode and sign it off and then sign back in. This can sometimes refresh the association. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your Apple ID's account and settings. Make sure that number is correctly associated with your Apple ID. Go to your settings, go to your Apple account. Now tap on sign in and security. Wait for a few seconds. Now tap on change password. Tap on two-factor authentication, and from here you have to make sure that the phone number you are entering has is entered here also. Or guys, you can simply remove the number and then re-add it from here. Simply tap on the edit. Now remove the number and then re-add it from here. So guys, if this doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your iOS is up to date. Sometimes bugs causes these issues are fixed in newer updates. So you have to go back and open your general, tap on your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is like this, so you have to do is simply update your iPhone to this latest version. All you have to do is simply tap on update now and update your version now, or you can update it tonight. So guys, after trying these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your network settings. This will not delete your data but will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and settings. Sometimes network related issues can cause these type of issues. So you have to go back and scroll down, tap on your transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.